Hi, this is Daryl Nichols. I'm the proprietor of Odds and Ends Detailing and very proud to host the guys for the 928 Frenzy for, let's see, I've hosted it 6 out of the last 7 years, I believe. So we do the event here at my shop, detailing shop, full service here in Sterling, Virginia. And this is the largest gathering of Porsche 928 owners on the entire East Coast, Porsche Club of America event, and very proud to host it. And this is also co-located with my storage business, Dallas Car Concierge.
This is the fourth time I've come to 928 Frenzy. I bought my car 5 years ago, and the reason to come to a place like this is to meet the other owners. They're very helpful. The 928 is kind of a fussy car. It's a little difficult to keep running, and they're complicated cars, but they're genuine world experts on 928 mechanical and electrical things. And you can learn so much. You can get so much help with any of the problems you might be having. And these guys are, as I often put it, stupid people can't own a 928. They're difficult cars, and you really got to have things sorted out in your head. You really got to know what you're doing. It takes a community of smart people to keep these things going. That's what I like about it, really, the people.
Okay, thank you. Anything to add, sir?
Well, thanks, Kurt, for stealing all of my words. I would say for me, everything that Kurt said, but also that very quickly you realize that the cars just bring together people that are like-minded, and we're all kind of quirky. I notice a lot of people are technical and they're artistic, and the 928 brought all these people together that might not have ever met before. And so even if I were to sell my car tomorrow, I have all these friends that I'm going to have for life. That's what's great about it.
Frenzy is a unique event in the car world, the Porsche world, and the world in general. All these people are friends, all these people are family. The car is the connective tissue to all of this. We've all known each other for eons. Our friends from Ontario and Quebec. They drive 15 hours to come down here and they wouldn't miss it. We wouldn't miss it. We're lucky to have the sponsorship that we do, all the people that show up. Everybody's help makes this an easy thing. I look forward to this all year.
And
Out of the way!